Hi, I'm architect Ankur Khosla and I run a bespoke design studio.
My name is Rajeshri and I'm an architect.
Hi, I'm Suvita Gandhi. I'm principal designer at Paper Sky Studio.
I'm Ujjwala Kumthekar from UNR Designs.
My name is Rajeshwari. I'm an interior designer.
I'm Arushi Bafna. She's Drishti Harya.
Hi.
That's a good question. The world wouldn't function without women.
I feel like women designers add that sort of emotion to the space.
I think it's high time we learn to work together as a unit and collaborate, appreciate each other because we both bring very unique perspectives.
Designs are good, but no functionality. Sensitivity and strength, which really translates to resilience.
We need more ideas and we need more different perspectives rather than just single one.
The karigars, the actual workers, they're always male and you don't find females there. So you have to be dressed decently. You cannot be randomly dressed and go the way you are comfortable in any other fields.
Strategy is to have a very loud voice to communicate and get male workers to just listen to you and get the work done.
Sometimes I feel that there's a thought-word-action mismatch. Make your grand vision clear and align everyone to that vision.
The amount of work pressure is so high that, women, they tend to work till late. And then there is no proper commute to go back home.
You have to be really good at what you do. You have to be superly passionate about what you do. Detail-oriented.
Sometimes it happens that, end of that, you are not giving me time to yourself.
Just giving that equal importance to our women employers.
Because of the long working hours or not being able to give proper caregiving for the children.
They should look at the Western world. They should look at what is happening. We are in 2024. They should be given an opportunity.
I feel I encounter women everywhere. My clients are women. My team and staff, the ones who work for me, are women.
I really think that women have to take the ownership for what they want to do.
We can promote more leadership, giving it to this domain to ladies.
My poor parents, they had to put up with me, but I'm sure they're proud of me now. But yes, I've been my own inspiration.
I think my mother, but I think professionally as an architect, it would be Zaha Hadid.
The people who are very close to me and who I used to see every day, like my teachers, my parents, my mom.
One of them is my mom. I have always been amazing relationship with my mom.
I would say definitely my mom.
She has a keen sense of aesthetics, creative.
Zaha Hadid was a figure who, even in our college we used to see like what kind of structures she used to make.
End of the day, what matters is the last customer, your consumer, right? Which is a man and a woman.
Giving equal opportunities to women and men is very, very important, very crucial.
I feel like a woman can multitask a lot.
Yeah.
When women are there in the workplace is more organized.
Women are very, very foresighted. To me, I feel the women are very organized, perceptive, detail-oriented.
No matter what, just keep going like a lioness and keep at it. Things will work out for you.
Yeah, be just bold.
You should not overcommit.
Rather than being a timid personality, I would have been bold and solid with my ideas.
It's okay. Everything is going to work out. Just chill and just have faith.
Don't change anything. Just go through it just the way you went through it.
You don't have to worry about the world around. You have to just be strong enough, take your own decisions and be sure of what you're doing.
They don't have to choose to be a good parent or a good worker. They can have both because that's their basic right to life.
More work from home options or more flexible working options.
Basically, women just need support. That support, if it comes from home, it comes from the family, there's nothing like it.
I feel like they can do much more because psychologically they are multitasking and they can handle things.
Work is worship for me, and I feel work adds meaning to your life. Flexible hours to work so that they can balance it. Women would be more into leadership.